Good morning guys, in front of me is RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, locate the settings, open them, and now go to System. Under System Settings you will notice Date and Time. Just click, switch off the automatic setup, and now pick it manually by yourself from the list. And that's it, that will be all. Whenever you want to go back to automatic setup, just mark this indicator and it will be set automatically. Obviously you can do the same with Timezone, just unmark the automatic one and then pick it from the list. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.